Closet clean out. Yay! Best part of my day.
That was kind of fire though.
Here's a little tour of my lovely closet. On this side we have confusion. On this side we have chaos. So confusion meet chaos. Chaos meet confusion. It's a fusion. I literally need help. Okay, like I clean out my closet way too often, and cleaning out my closet lately has just been like refolding all this stuff. But like if you take a closer look at this, it's just like mounts of clothing where if you want to get a sweater from the bottom of the pile, you're screwed. Like the whole pile just topples over. And so that's just not really gonna cut it anymore. I'm honestly tired of that. Today's closet clean out is actually gonna be like, how can we be proactive? How can we take this from the root of the issue and make this closet more compatible? So I ordered something. I don't know how gross it is to
System malfunction.
put a package on my bed. But at the same time, I'm just here for the vibes. So whatever, we already did it. It's already dirty, so we're just gonna open it. Okay. Deodorant for my husband. Stop it right now. This is really the kicker. So I got hangers. What? That's a no-brainer. Like, what's your problem? You know, I realized that hangers are really just like what I'm missing in this situation. I just feel like hanging absolutely everything I can in my closet is really gonna help. I would like to make sure these are cute, you know? And what I like about the suede hangers is nothing like slips off of them, you know what I mean? Like they just stay on there for dear life. So I think there's 50. So I don't even know if that's gonna be enough. We're gonna try to do whatever we can to get this closet to look normal. So let's go. This right here is my best friend right now. I don't even know where to begin, but I'm really nervous. I really hope this is enough. I mean, I have a whole nother bundle of this, but still, you know what I mean? Let's get started. Maybe I can come back tomorrow. It's gonna be a lot of work. I need my coffee for this. If I stand here longer without doing anything and just staring at all this clothes, I am not gonna do it. I just need to get into it. You know what I mean? As of now, the goal is just to put everything onto hangers. So I'm actually in love with the way that they turned out. So I'm doing like all the blacks here of sweaters, and then dark blues, grays, blues, red and pink, and then the white. And then I did some t-shirts that I know he really likes. And then I'm gonna try to save some of the other hangers for my side of the closet, at least for the sweaters. So that way we can just kind of clear out like the clunky space of all these sweaters. They take up so much space when they're folded. But for now, I'm honestly really happy with this. this. And it's color coded, like look how gorgeous. Before I do my closet, I'm gonna just like fold all of Simon's stuff so that way it can just all look super good up here. And then I'm gonna shift his work clothes probably to utilize the pole up there. And that way I can kind of clear out my side of the closet so I can at least have a space for my sweaters. All of these 4 are thrifted. Like, I'm not even kidding you. It's kind of annoying how good luck Simon has with shopping. So logic is he doesn't wear these as often, but they're options because he still does wear them. He wears these frequently. He wears these even more frequently. These are his t-shirts, all his sweaters here, and then some dress shirts there. Now his work clothes. We're gonna try to hang that on the upper holes. That just looks so clunky and ugly, so frick. I really wanted to clear out my side of the closet so I could have lots of room for my stuff, but maybe, ooh, I have an idea. Maybe I should just hang all of his shirts up. That way I can scoot everything over and have the little section. Okay, for his, you guys, I think I am smarter than I look. Basically, this is what we ended up with. So we got his work clothes up there, and like, look how gorgeous the shirts look and the sweaters and everything. And then obviously my portion of the closet looks crazy, but it's because I haven't worked on it yet. So once I will, maybe it'll look cleaner. I wanted to hang most of Simon's stuff because obviously his t-shirts are big and they hang way better than my tiny t-shirts. So by the way, the most gorgeous hoodie you've ever seen, and it's completely plain in the front, super oversized. This is my sister's brand. She literally has the coolest clothes, so if you want a hoodie like that, let me know. This is literally my staple sweater of the season. Literally the perfect sweater you could ask for. But I'm gonna focus on mostly getting hoodies because they just make the most mess because of the hood.
Why do I have 0 hoodies?
Like, what is this? I don't even know what this is. It is so satisfying seeing my hoodies hung. I never do this. I love it. So I color coded all the hoodies, and then towards the middle you have like my dress shirts and then my dresses. And basically with the dresses I did it more as for length, so like the longer the dresses get, the more further they are back. And then in the end I have my vests and my blazers. But this is so satisfying. Actually, this makes me really happy, and I'm more of like a visual person, so I'm literally obsessed with this so far. Now for this, I'm terrified to tackle this, but also excited because now there's so much more space since the sweaters are all gone. Okay, so these 3 pieces of clothing, I tried to cut them in another video, and you know, I wanted to like make it work, make it look super cool. Never wore this since I cut it, so we're giving that away. Then this, it's like,
Oh, I didn't cut this.
well, then yeah, I'm gonna wear this. I thought I cut the sleeves off of this, and I was like, Jess, like, what are you thinking? Like, do you think you're really gonna wear a flannel with sleeves cut off? Like, what are you trying to look like? So I finished my closet. I had time to finish everything because the Wi-Fi company came and installed my Wi-Fi. And now I have Wi-Fi after living in my apartment for 7 months. It's a good day, it's a good day, and my closet literally looks phenomenal. I just want to like hang out in here now. Let me give you a closet tour because I'm a proud woman. I'm a proud citizen. Oh, you want me to take the mic? Okay. Okay, so everybody just wants me to give a speech because of the beautiful work that I've done. So I'm just gonna say thank you to my parents, thank you to all my siblings, thank you to my husband. I couldn't have done it without them. This is probably my favorite section. What? All the whites and the creams, and then we got the blues, and just, I love it. I'm in love, and I'm grateful and excited that I finally finished it. Anyways, that is all that I have for my energy, but thank you for just joining me on this extreme closet clean out, because couldn't have done it without your accountability, you know, like I didn't want to let you guys down. Love you, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you are not subscribed, because just do it. Watch this 4 times. Bye bye, baby.